Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today's topic is Human Machine Interface. Let's start it. Human Machine Interface HMI refers to the interface between a human operator and a machines or system enabling communication, control and monitoring. Here are some topics related to HMI. First is design principles, user-centered design, in intuitive interface, and ergonomics. Second is display devices, monitors, touch screens, LCD displays, and LED indicators. Third is input devices, keyboards, mic, touch screens, joysticks, and sensors. Four is software, graphic user interface, GUI, SCADA system, and industrial automation software. Five is industrial automation, HMI, in manufacturing process control and automation. Six is IoT and HMI, integrating HMI with IoT devices and system. Seven is augmented reality, AR, and HMI, using AR to enhance HMI experiences. Eight is voice command HMI, using voice recognition technology for HMI. 9 is gesture based HMI, using gesture recognition technology for HMI. 10 is accessibility, designing HMI for users with disability and limitation. 11 is usability testing, evaluating HMI effectiveness and user experience. 12 is HMI standards, industry standards and guidelines for HMI designs. 13 is HMI security, ensuring security and cyber security in HMI systems. 14 is remote HMI, accessing and controlling system remotely through HMI. 15 is mobile HMI, using mobile devices and HMI interfaces. Here are some additional topics related to human machines interface HMI. First is artificial intelligent AI HMI, integrating AI technology into HMI systems. Second is machine learning ML HMI, using ML algorithm to improve HMI performances. Third is natural language processing NLP HMI, using NLP technology for voice command and text based HMI. 4 is computer vision HMI, using computer vision technology for gesture recognition and object detection. 5 is HMI for autonomous system design HMI, for autonomous vehicles, drones and robots. 6 is HMI for smart homes design HMI, for smart home system and IoT devices. 7 is HMI for variables, designing HMI for variable devices and augmented reality glasses. 8 is HMI for virtual reality VR and augmented reality AR, designing HMI for impressive experiences. 9 is HMI accessibility standards, ensuring HMI accessibility for users with disabilities. 10 is HMI usability guidelines, best practices for designing a user-friendly HMI. 11 is HMI testing and evaluation methods, for testing and evaluating HMI effectiveness. 12 is HMI design tools, software and tools for design and prototyping HMI. 13 is HMI development frameworks for building and integrating HMI systems. 14 is HMI security protocols, ensuring secure data transmission and authentication in HMI. 5 is HMI for edge computing, designing HMI for edge computing devices and systems. Here are some additional topics related to human machine interface HMI. First is HMI 2 for industrial Internet of Things IIoT, designs human HMI for IIoT devices and systems. Second is HMI for cyber physical system, designing HMI for Cyber Physical System and Industry 4.0.